Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best cooking utensils in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cooking utensils that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the OXO Good Grips Multi-Grater. This grater from OXO comes with 2 stainless steel grating surfaces, a pressure-absorbing, easy-to-grip handle, and non-slip feet. It can be used in 2 positions, anchored over a plate or perched over a bowl, and snapped open for easy cleaning, by hand or via dishwasher or easier grating. Just slide it apart at the handle hinge when it's in the closed position, and when you're done, fold it up again for compact storage. We grated Parmesan cheese both standing up and flat over a bowl and found it worked well both ways. Although the plastic may not last forever and the grating area was a bit smaller than some others, the low price point and versatility are totally worth these minor qualms. When tested with mozzarella, it worked well and didn't gum up as much as anticipated. Perhaps best of all, we could feel the easy grip handle absorbing pressure. The non-slip feet were nice, too. Apart from cheese, this grater will stand up to vegetables, cold butter, hard-boiled eggs, and more. Moving on at number 4, we have the OXO Good Grips Pro Swivel Peeler. This upgraded version of the classic OXO peeler features a slightly better grip, sharper blade, and sturdier construction. The swivel blade moves at just the right angle to make quick work of peeling vegetables, which we confirmed after peeling tons of white potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, apples, and tomatoes. We even zested limes, and in all, it cut easily and smoothly. The handle was comfortable to hold, even after a long session with potatoes, and the blade cut flawlessly in both directions, making it perfect for both left and right-handed users. It took an average of 30 seconds to peel an average-sized potato, and the metal eye at the top allows you to remove potato eyes without reaching for a knife. There's also a hole in the middle that can be used for hanging. As far as cleaning goes, this peeler can be washed by hand or thrown in the dishwasher. At number 3, we have the OXO Good Grips Spatula Set. 3 is better than 1 when it comes to something as useful as spatulas, and this set includes a trio you'll reach for over and over. It includes a medium silicone spatula, a silicone spoon spatula, and a small silicone spatula. The medium spatula is designed for stirring, scraping bowls and pots, and pushing batter into the corners of bakeware, for something like fudge brownies. The spoon spatula has a shallow bowl that makes it perfect for scooping and transferring ingredients from bowl to pot, while it's also great for stirring. The small spatula is surprisingly useful for stirring small amounts or scraping the last bits of mayonnaise from the jar. This 3-piece silicone spatula set is an upgrade from OXO's previous models, which had plastic handles and a silicone blade, making it easy for food residue to build up under the blade head. Each spatula in this updated set is made of one solid piece of silicone, so there are no hiding spots for food to get stuck or mold to grow. We found these spatulas great for scooping, scraping, spooning, and spreading with a variety of ingredients and recipes since they are comfortable to hold and use, resistant to heat, and easy to clean via machine or hand wash. They are also safe for all non-stick cookware and bakeware, and won't discolor, warp, or melt. At number 2, we have the Zyliss Lock and Lift Can Opener. Everyone needs a can opener, because, let's face it, there's no other reasonable way to get cans opened in the kitchen. This manual can opener locks easily onto cans of all sizes, and the smooth-turning stainless steel cutting mechanism makes fast work of that can of soup or tomato sauce. Plus, it won't rust or corrode and can be used either right or left-handed. We found this can opener easy to hold onto, thanks to the soft grip handle that's designed to be less tiring to hold. It also has a magnet that holds onto the lid and a lever that releases it easily for safe disposal, so you never need to touch it. This should not be immersed in water. Just wipe clean by hand. And finally, at number 1, we have the ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer. Lavatools was founded in 2013 by a small team of passionate food enthusiasts who were frustrated with the inaccurate and slow thermometers that were available on the market. They knew that there had to be a better way to ensure that their food was cooked to perfection, so they set out to create a thermometer that was fast, accurate, and easy to use. The company's first product, the Javelin, was a revolutionary instant red thermometer that quickly became a favorite among home cooks and professional chefs. The Javelin was known for its fast 1 to 3 second readings, plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius accuracy, and large, easy-to-read display. It was also made with high-quality materials and was very durable. Lavatools quickly gained a reputation for creating high-quality, innovative thermometers. The company has continued to develop new products over the years, including the Javelin Pro Duo, which is the company's most advanced thermometer to date. The Javelin Pro Duo offers all of the features of the original Javelin, plus a number of new features, such as a 180 degrees auto-rotating display, motion-activated backlight, and splash-proof construction. Today, Lavatools is a leading manufacturer of kitchen thermometers. The company's products are sold in over 100 countries and are trusted by professional chefs, food enthusiasts, and home cooks alike. Lavatools is committed to providing its customers with the best possible products and customer service.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.